where traditional conservation methods fall short. Drones equipped with cameras can monitor endangered animals from the air without disturbing them. These aerial guardians provide real-time data, helping conservationists track animal movements and detect potential threats. Other robots help plant trees and restore damaged ecosystems. Automated tree planters can cover large areas quickly, reforesting regions that have been devastated by deforestation or natural disasters. These efforts help protect vulnerable species and preserve biodiversity in the face of climate change. By restoring habitats and monitoring wildlife, robots play a crucial role in ensuring that future generations can enjoy the rich diversity of life on Earth. Section 5. The future is now robot heroes of tomorrow. The future of robots in the fight against climate change is incredibly exciting. Scientists are developing even more advanced robots. Imagine robots that can clean up plastic pollution in the oceans, or robots that can capture carbon dioxide from the air and turn it into useful materials. The possibilities are limitless. Section 6. A brighter future working together for our planet. Our journey towards a sustainable future begins with collective action and innovative solutions. Robots are powerful tools in the fight against climate change. These advanced machines are revolutionizing the way we approach environmental conservation. They're helping us understand our planet better, protect our environment, and create a more sustainable future. From planting trees to monitoring coral reefs, robots are at the forefront of environmental research and action. But robots aren't the only solution. Human effort and community involvement are equally crucial. Every small action counts, from recycling at home to participating in local cleanup drives. We all have a role to play. By coming together, we can amplify our impact. Community gardens, beach cleanups, and environmental activism are just a few ways we can contribute. By working together, reducing our impact on the planet, and supporting the development of these incredible technologies, we can create a brighter future for generations to come. Imagine a world where clean parks, renewable energy, and green technology are the norm. This vision is within our reach if we unite our efforts and commit to sustainable practices.